Stand over there. Stand over there. Stand over there and don't move.
I'm not moving, bro. I promise to God on my soul. I swear to God on my soul. I just thought her granny and everything. I never. All right.
Just take him outside.
She's got a gunshot wound to the head.
But listen. She told me to go. I was listening. So I came over here, right? I'm literally. She only let me stand right here. Mind you, okay? Listen. Did you listening to me?
Yeah.
Listening to me. Listen. She only let me stand right here. Look, I'm finna show you. She only let me stand right here, bro. Listen. She was like, I'm finna. I asked her, can I come over? She said, you can come over for a little bit. I said, okay. I said, but when I got over here, she was like, no, you can't come in or something like that because she wanted to get ready to go to sleep. I'm like, okay, you want to get ready to go to sleep, so I'm finna go. I literally came down here to my car. I literally came over here to my car. I got in my car. Okay, listen.
Radio.
Huh?
Radio.
Right.
7250, we got a gunshot wound to the head on a black female, not breathing, medical. Gunshot wound to the center of the forehead.
No pulse on her?
No.
Or CPR, I guess. Yeah, I am. Starting CPR.
Listen, I swear to God on everything.
You're good, buddy.
Huh?
You're good, buddy.
Okay, look, I swear to God on everything I love. Look, I came to my car. The moment I opened my car door, I heard 8 shots come from her apartment. I literally, bro, I'm thinking somebody shooting else somewhere, so I pull up the tree. I'm like, damn, what the f? But I turn around because I'm like, dog, bro, that's my girl, bro. I really love this girl to death. So I'm like, okay, so I turn around, bro. Listen, I'm beating on the f***ing door to try to get the f*** back in the apartment because I don't have the key or nothing, bro.
I need a cage car for him.
I literally just started CPR and shot to the head. I'm not conscious, not breathing. Yeah, there's gray matter.
You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
So listen, she tell me that the moment I get by her car, I listen, the moment I get by my car, right? Listen, I hear 8 shots, bro. I run upstairs, bro, because I listen, bro, her door's unlocked because she just closed the door behind me, bro. I made sure she was okay because I told her, when I was here, I said, okay, I'm gonna call you later like that because I know you got work tonight. She work at Walmart on East Capitol. Okay? So listen, when I got to my car, I swear to God, I heard 8 shots. I go up there, bro. All I do is open the door, bro. She's laying on the fucking ground, bro.
We'll sort it out, buddy. Oh, she's obviously shot. You're the only person in the apartment, so you're just detained right now, okay? No, you're right.
No.
Like I said, you're not arrested, buddy. You're just detained until we figure out what's going on.
Bro, I swear to God, bro. I did that shit to her, cuz.
All right.
I don't know, bro. She didn't let me in the house, bro. She didn't let me in the house at all.
What happened?
She didn't listen. I tell you the same thing that I told him. Listen, so she just had got home about like 45 minutes ago, hour ago.
Okay.
I called her. She had said, "Can I come see you?" She had said, at first she had said no. I said, okay. I said, "Can I come see you?" She said, yeah, you can come see me, but only for a little bit because I have to go to work tonight because she work at Walmart East Capitol. I normally take her to work between 9:30 and 9:40. I said, okay. When I got over here, she only let me stand in the door. She didn't let me go in the house or nothing like that, bro. Nothing. Like, that's my girlfriend. I've been over there multiple times. But she didn't let me go over there. So she had said, okay, you have to leave because I'm finna get ready to go to sleep. I said, okay. I literally walked down the stairs. I came out the door. She closed the door behind me. I told her. I said, okay, I'm gonna call you later and make sure that you good and that you okay because I know you got work. And I told her to call me if you need a ride to work. Okay, this is what I do on the daily. So I said, okay. I literally got to my car door. I literally go to open my car door and I hear 8 shots coming out her apartment. Not her apartment, but the fucking house complex. You know what I'm saying? So then I'm getting scared. Like all I'm hearing is shots. Huh?
Which car is yours?
Red flat Charger right there.
Right here? It's parked the wrong way?
Yeah, it's parked the wrong way.
What happened after that? What'd you do?
Because, listen, I got up in the car, bro. I pulled up, I'm like, what the f*** they shooting? But, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to get shot. Shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm an innocent bystander. Or whatever. I don't want him to come outside or whatever the f*** catch may be and shoot me. So I'm like, okay, bet. So, I turn around like that. I literally turn around. I pull the f*** back up, bro. I'm banging on the f***ing door to get back up in there because I don't have the keys to her apartment. I cannot get in that complex. What?
We're trying to sort out what's going on right now, man. We'll come talk to you in a second.
You know what I'm saying? Listen, I swear to God on everything I love.
You went back in?
No, I went back in after the shots. I went back in after the shot because I knocked on the f***ing door and the neighbor opened the door for me.
Okay. And you
Neighbor opened and I went back upstairs.
Was her door open?
Yeah, the door was already unlocked.
You can yell at me.
I'm telling you, the door is already unlocked. I'm literally trying to check. I'm like, what's wrong? What's wrong? All I see is blood on the front. I'm like, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, no, it's in my car.
Okay. What's your name?
Keshawn. Keshawn. Rouse. I'm trying to figure out this. The first thing I do is I call her friend. I'm like, bro, you know, I said, I don't know what the fuck just happened. She said, what? I said, bro, I don't know what just happened, bro. I just heard 8 shots come from her apartment. She said, wait. She said, wait, what's going on, bro? I said, bro, I just heard 8 shots come out of her apartment, bro. She said, wait. I called her granny, bro. I told her granny I heard 8 shots come out of her apartment. So her granny like, what you mean her 8 shots come out of her apartment? I said, bro, I'm literally in the fucking house right now.
What's your last name?
Rousey, R-O-W-S-E-Y.
Just a question I'm gonna ask you. Got any warrants? Something I'd be worried about?
No, I
like
don't.
Not a probation parole?
No,
like
I don't.
Okay, all right. Slide in real quick. We'll check the window here. Get you cool. Thomas, you said, or Davis? I mean?
Davis,
What's your middle?
D-A-V-I-S. I don't know her middle name.
Okay, she lives here.
Yes.
All right, slide.
I used to stay. Wait, can you crack it though? Can you keep it open?
Yeah. I'm gonna get the key so I can get the air conditioner.
Okay, I'm not finna do nothing, bro. Can you just, I'm cooperating. Can you just leave it open so I can literally just sit here and breathe?
What's the squad number on this?
Listen, I swear to God, Jasmine, on everything I love, bro. Listen, she said I could come over for a little bit. I came over here for literally 5 minutes, bro. She didn't let me in the door, bro. She didn't let me in the door. I literally, listen, when she told me to leave, I left. I literally got by my car door and I heard some shots coming from her apartment, bro.
Keshawn, just relax. When I get the key, I'll turn the air conditioner and stuff to do it, all right?
Listen, I just want to breathe, bro. That's it.
No, I'll leave the door.
I just want to breathe, bro.
I got you.
Then her granny keep asking me, did you do it? No, I didn't do that. I love that girl.
And they found 5 total bullet holes. There's gray matter on her pants.
Yeah, that's my apartment.
You see anybody coming out of that place?
Bro, I didn't know, bro. I left. Okay, listen. I pulled off, bro. I pulled off.
Okay.
I got scared because there was shots. I pulled off. I came back.
So when you came out of here, you didn't see anybody go in?
No, I didn't. But listen, she was already at home when I got here.
I know, but you said you left, but she didn't want to.
Yeah, but she didn't let me in the door. I don't know if somebody was in there or not.
Okay, all right.
She didn't let me in the house, sir. What are you talking about?
You called me, said that shot apartment.
No, I did. I said I heard 8 shots. I said I heard 8 shots come out of her apartment.
Right now, man.
Okay.
I heard 8 shots from in there. I heard bang, 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 bang.
Come on, cooperate with me.
I am cooperating, bro. I'm just trying
I know your hands up, right? But
Yeah.
the whole neighborhood ain't gonna know.
Yes, I know the whole neighborhood ain't gonna know my business, bro. But I'm just saying, bro. I'm trying to tell because everybody trying to look at me like I did that.
No, I told you. Look, I told you straight up. You're not arrested. You're detained right now,
Okay,
right?
and I understand that.
We get called here. Someone's shot, right?
Yes, and I called you all.
Hold on. Breathe, buddy. You keep yelling over me because I'm on your side. All right? I told you straight up. You're not arrested. You're detained. I just obviously got to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
You're in the apartment. She's shot. I'm sorting out everything. You're not arrested. Your story checks out. Just let everything happen for a second, all right? Detectives are gonna come. Everybody's gonna talk to you. Things will be cool, all right?
Okay, bro.
Just be smooth with it. Hey,
I'm not, bro. Can I just breathe? I'm breathing.
No, but you're trying to talk to them.
No, I'm not, bro. I'm just letting you know, bro. I got alibis, bro. Drake, we're not just with you, bro. I've been with you all day, bro. I just dropped you off over your auntie thing, over there by the court, bro, so you can play with Trey on them. I was just with you, bro.
This will be your last one. I'm gonna have to close the door, buddy.
Okay. Listen, I'm trying to tell you, bro. Y'all want to know? Y'all asking me how I got in the apartment and everything. When I first got here, her neighbor was opening the door. I came in the door. I knocked on her door. She opened it. She would not let me in, sir.
She told you to come over, though, right?
Yeah, she said I can come over while we was on the phone. Me and her literally had a conversation. We literally was on the phone.
That's your girlfriend?
That was my ex-girlfriend, but we getting back together.
Okay.
Yeah, we was getting back together.
How long were you guys together on off?
We've been together for a year and a half. We just broke up like 3 weeks ago, but me and her been talking about getting back together and like that, and she said we getting back together. She just needed time to, you know what I'm saying, get through her feelings and like that.
Right.
I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm literally sitting here being, you know what I'm saying? I'm literally sitting here being okay with all that shit because I understand. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got feelings, bro. On her door again. I'm like, Leah. I checked the door to see if it's unlocked. The door's unlocked. I open the door. All I see of her is on the floor dead. I literally dropped down to my knees, bro. The first person I'll call is her motherfucking friend. I call her right there. I call her friend. I tell her. I'm like, bro, I just heard 8 shots come out her apartment complex. I'm crying like a motherfucker, bro. She's like, hold on. She just left me and shit like that, bro. I said, fam, I just heard 8 shots come out her apartment complex. So then she said, hold on, I'm gonna call you back. I called her granny. Her granny said, what the fuck happened? I'm telling her granny, bro, like, I just heard 8 shots come out your granddaddy complex, your granddaughter complex, shit like that. I'm literally doing all that shit, right? All I know is, bro, I literally, bro, I swear to God on my soul, I'm like, bro, who the fuck is this? She asking me did I do it. I said, I did not do it. I said, I didn't do it. I said, I don't know, bro. I said, she didn't let me in the house.
Did you see somebody run out?
I sped down the street.
That's his car.
I sped down the street, bro. I didn't see nobody run in and out.
When you heard the shots fired out here, you didn't see anybody run out the apartment?
No, I didn't. I drove off.
Do you think someone was in there?
Bro, I don't know. She didn't let me through the door.
Okay. All right, man. He was in the apartment when we got here.
He was in the apartment?
Yeah.
Yes, I can't. Listen, I had the door. Look, I'm sorry, but I'm trying to.
I know you gave your story,
I got the black thing, but I got the black thing held open so I can get back into the house because I don't have a key to get back in.
I hear you, buddy. Just take a seat. He's talking very fast, like he's nervous. Extremely fast.
That's
The story doesn't make a lot of sense.
it's kind of a clue.
Is there a gun up there?
There's no gun, there's no casings.
Yeah, just stay inside for now. Okay. Did you hear anything? You're right next door. I'll tell you what, I'll let a detective know to come over and talk to you in private.
We heard a loud bam bam. I didn't think it was a gunshot, but I just thought he was banging on the door some more. Like I thought he kicked it instead of hitting it, but then he ran off. Yeah.
Could you make out what he was saying?
He was like saying let me in, she was saying go or leave or something, just like that. I just knew them like 3 months ago.
Okay.
And they argue all the time. 10 minutes later, the car pulls back up, but he has someone with him, like a female. I hear a female voice, and they're both like, she dead. So I'm like, oh nah, he killed her. He knocked on my door, and I opened it, and he said, did y'all hear anything happen? And I was like, all I saw was a black Charger. And he said, that's my car. He was like, I came, and she wouldn't let me in. She told me to leave. I left. He was like, so, he said, so I thought somebody in here did it. I said, no, you didn't think nobody in here did it. So that's why I called the police. Okay. Because I see he's trying to flip it. I just closed my door.
Had you called the police prior to him knocking on your door?
Yeah.
Okay, you already
Yeah, but I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you, bro. Right, I didn't do that shit, my nigga.
Okay, nobody's. Relax.
Y'all finna have me send in the cell and shit, bro?
No. Don't worry about it, okay? Right now, they're gonna talk to you about what you saw, okay?
Okay, bro.
Okay.
A 19-year-old woman here in Milwaukee, Keshawn Rouse, made his first court appearance today. The criminal complaint alleges that Rouse shot and killed Leah Davis Saturday inside of her apartment near 66th and Lisbon. The complaint states that Rouse had previously threatened to kill Davis and himself, and they had recently just broken up. Davis's death highlights what can happen when warning signs of domestic violence go unreported.
Wednesday, Keshawn Rouse was charged for killing his ex-girlfriend, 19-year-old Leah Davis. According to the criminal complaint, there were warning signs. A friend of Davis told police the two had a rocky relationship and said Rouse was possessive and overprotective. That same friend said she would mediate arguments between the two, and a neighbor said she heard them fighting 6 or 7 times in the last few months. 3 weeks after the breakup, Rouse told a friend he killed her.